Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the life and career of RileyHerbst, a rising star in the world of NASCAR. Whether you're a fan of racing or just curious about up-and-coming athletes, this video will give you an inside look at who RileyHerbst is and how he's making waves in the racing world. Let's jump right in! RileyHerbst was born on February 24th, 1999 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Growing up in the racing capital of the world, it's no surprise that Riley developed a passion for motorsports from a young age. His grandfather Joe was a race car driver, and his father Troy also raced professionally, which created a strong racing influence in Riley's life. Riley's journey to NASCAR started like many others on dirt tracks. He began racing go-karts and later moved up to bigger cars, eventually becoming one of the top contenders in the local racing scene. His natural talent and love for racing quickly became evident. Riley's first significant break came when he entered the NASCAR K and N Pro Series West in 2016. His performance in this series showcased his potential and set the stage for what would become an impressive career. In 2017, he joined the NASCARXfinity Series, a critical stepping stone for many drivers on their way to the NASCAR Cup Series. In 2019, Riley landed a full-time ride with JoeGibbsRacing in the Xfinity Series. This was a huge milestone for the young driver, as JoeGibbsRacing is one of the top teams in NASCAR, known for producing championship-caliber drivers. With them, Riley continued to refine his skills and gain valuable experience in a highly competitive environment. But it wasn't just his racing ability that stood out. His work ethic and determination made him a valuable member of the team, and he was quickly recognized for his potential to break into the top levels of the sport. In the Xfinity Series, Riley had some notable performances. Although he didn't secure a win, he finished consistently well and proved himself to be a strong competitor. His impressive showings earned him recognition as one of the series' up-and-coming talents. Throughout 2020 and 2021, Riley continued to climb the ranks, gaining experience and learning how to handle the pressures of racing at high speeds. His performances were promising enough to keep him in the spotlight as one of NASCAR's young drivers to watch. As with any athlete's journey, Riley's career hasn't been without its challenges. Like many young drivers, he faced ups and downs, dealing with setbacks and frustrations along the way. However, Riley's resilience and ability to learn from his experiences have kept him moving forward. Looking ahead, RileyHerbst is definitely a driver to keep an eye on. With his talent, determination, and the backing of a top-tier racing team, it's clear that Riley has a bright future in NASCAR. Whether or not he secures a win in the coming seasons, his potential to become a household name in the sport is undeniable. As he continues to develop and gain experience, there's no telling just how far he could go in NASCAR. Fans and experts alike will be watching closely as he carves out his legacy on the track. So that's a quick look at RileyHerbst's journey from a young racing enthusiast in Las Vegas to a full-time NASCAR driver. His story is one of passion, hard work, and determination, and it's only just beginning. Who knows? We might be witnessing the rise of one of NASCAR's future stars. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on your favorite drivers, races, and motorsport stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.